What's the meaning of bungle? Bungle. Bungle.
Bungle. Bungle. Bungle means to carry out a task clumsily or incompetently, resulting in errors or failure. When someone bungles a task, they may make mistakes, forget important details, or fail to follow instructions correctly. The result of a bungled task can range from minor inconvenience to serious consequences, depending on the nature of the task and the level of incompetence displayed. In general, bungling a task can lead to wasted time, money, and resources, damage to reputation or relationships, and in some cases, harm to people or property. Therefore, it is important to be careful and attentive when carrying out tasks to avoid bungling them.